So real quick, the 7 principles are.
The seven principles are, and I'm not sure if they're in any order of importance, but it's kind of how I feel like they kind of evolve. And the one being to not despise the day of small beginnings. You got to start somewhere. Everyone has a beginning, and sometimes at that place, people feel neglected, people feel unheard, people aren't recognized. So it's important to know. The next one is to get a mentor. Uh, we can't do it alone. We all need some help at some point in our lives, and we need to recognize that when we need someone to step in and support us. Refusing to be a victim. We all have a story. We have a story of why we can't achieve. And if we can get an arsenal of people to stand behind us and support that mindset as well. But we cannot afford to stay in that victimization mode. We got to work hard. Number four. There's nothing that will replace hard work. And you can be the brightest guy in the room, but you can also not work hard and be left behind. So really important to do that. Love what you do. And I say love what you do, or at least like it a whole lot. So many of us don't like our jobs. And so we spend the majority of our lives doing something that we don't like. Just, pause and reflect on that and think about what does that look like in someone's life when they don't like their job every day. And I think I run into them on the freeway when I'm commuting because they're always angry. And so it's this recognizing that if you have the opportunity to select something that you actually enjoy, then do that. Put some energy towards that. Learning how to follow. I think every great leader has once had to learn how to follow someone else before they could expect anyone to follow them. And so it's important that we actually learn that and submit ourselves to someone else's leadership and glean from them and what they've done so that we can actually do the same thing at some point. And then knowing the difference between being an asset versus a liability. It's really knowing that that's critical in business. It's critical in all parts of life, but when we talk about business and construction, if you're the asset, then you're the person that sticks around. You're the one going to the next job. You're the one that people find a way to keep you. When you're a liability, you're not needed, So it's recognizing those things. Those are the 7 principles, kind of in a nutshell.